Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Salesforce for syncing data to no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Salesforce website. Click on the Sign Up button located on the home page. Fill out the required fields in the registration form. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Choose a secure password that meets the stated criteria. Select your company name and enter any additional relevant details. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Once you've completed the form, click the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Salesforce. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be directed to a page to set up your new account. Complete any additional steps prompted on the setup page. Log into your newly created Salesforce account using your email and password. After logging in, you will see the Salesforce dashboard. Navigate to the App Launcher by clicking on the grid icon in the upper left corner. In the App Launcher, search for Data Sync or No-Code apps. Select the appropriate application for data synchronization. Review the available integrations and choose the no-code app you want to sync with. Follow the prompts to authorize access between Salesforce and the selected app. Configure the sync settings according to your preferences. Map your Salesforce data fields to the fields in the no-code app. Test the data sync to ensure that everything is working properly. Monitor the sync status within Salesforce to troubleshoot any issues. Finally, make adjustments as needed based on your data flow requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.